learned how to what is templates, what are these templates and how to use them. And as I promised you in our previous video that we will learn how to edit each type of template. So this video is about resume making. Yes. So whenever you apply for a job or for an internship or for any job purpose thing, you need your resume, right? So in this video we are going to learn how to create your resume with few easy steps and just some editing on this Google Doc template, and your resume will be ready. I think it will hardly take 10 minutes. So let's start. So as you can see here, there are so many resume templates, right? I think 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, almost 6 templates are here. So first what you have to do, just select what type of resume you want to create. Just see all type of designs and choose the one which you like the most. So how to select this template? You have to just click on that template. Okay, so it's loading. So first the thing you should remember, that just try that you go through all these type of templates and choose that template where you can give more information about yourself, then it will be easy for you to edit. And one more thing, if possible, see if you can add your own picture in that resume, so that your resume will be great. So it's still loading. So here is one type of resume, and now it has opened. So in this template, I'm not gonna start each template of based on resume. Suppose I have selected this. Okay, this is a one page resume, but the thing which I don't like in this template is that there is no space to add your own image. I like to of that part, but let's see if we can create any space for our photo, and if not, then let's edit this one. Okay, so in this resume, here you can see your name. So when you see your name option, you need to backspace this. Okay, I'm using backspace key from my keyboard, and write your own name. So my name is Anjali Tiwari. Then here is the thing, here they have mentioned lorem ipsum. So these are technically not a word. Here you can add whatever your designation, like if I am an educator, I'll add here educator. If I am a manager, then I'll type manager. So let's say I'm an educator or tutor or a manager. So you can write it by comma. Okay, so educator. Then one more thing you can do is you can simply add that one standing line from your keyboard. It gives a proper look to your resume, but I am unable to find it right now in my keyboard. So let's put comma, educator, manager, or you can say coordinator. So in this way you can type your designation over here. Then in this right column, at the top you can see 1 2 3 your state. So basically you have to enter your address here. Okay, so let's see, my building name is I'm not gonna mention my building name, but let's say I live on a Walker Road. So I'm gonna type here Walker Road. Then your main area, Mahal, and your city. So you have to mention proper address in your resume. Okay, Nagpur, and then your pin code. Then again here you can see there is some numbers. So here you have to enter your mobile number or telephone number. So whatever your mobile number, etc, etc. Okay. And then here you can see @ so basically you can guess this is for your email ID. Okay. Anjali TW 200 gmail.com. So yeah, this. Now here is the experience, skills, awards, education, projects and languages. So basically I know 4 languages, so I'm gonna put here what languages do I know. I know English, then Hindi, then Marathi, and I also know little bit of Sanskrit. So Sanskrit. Okay. Then awards or skills. So what are the skills you like? You can add whatever skills you have. If you are a good singer, then you can add your skill as a singer. I am not a good singer, but I can sing. So please make sure whenever you are creating your own resume, mention your proper skills. Okay, just don't mention your hobby. If you are a professional singer and you are skilled in it, then use that. Okay, otherwise use other thing like my skill is team management, so I'm gonna use that team management. Then I'm a tutor, or my communication skills are very good, so I can mention communication, effective communication. Use proper words. And here you can see red line has come. So this Google Doc help you to manage your spellings if you have typed any wrong spelling. Okay, then effective communication skill, effective communication skills. And if you have any other skill, you can mention it over here. Then now you have to type your experience. So I prefer to go from my present experience to my past experience. So currently I am working with more than marks. So at the place of company, we are gonna type more than marks. Location, basically my work is work from home, but we can add Mumbai here. Okay. Then job title. So let's assume I am an educator or I am a manager. So let's add manager over here. Then month, from which month to which. So let's add month November. Please write full spelling. Okay, 2020 to present. And then here you have to add your work responsibility. What are you working on? What is your responsibility while you are working on that position? So I'm a manager, managing teams, preparing courses. Okay, again I have made some spelling mistakes, so this red mark had come. Just click on it and you can improve your spelling. Preparing courses. Then again company name. This time I'm gonna add here. Okay, sorry. Now see, I have made mistake and I want to undo it. So here you can click undo. That's it. Okay. Now again company name. Beyond exam. Let's assume. But actually I have worked here. Okay. And you can say I'm currently also collaborated with Beyond exam. Assume I have worked here from March to March, March 21 to March 21, March 2021 to March 2022. Okay, so that's 1 year. Then again, third one. So I am a professionally educator or teacher, so I am gonna write here educator. Okay, so I hope this video will help you to create your proper resume. Educator, location Nagpur. Sorry, here I have to write. So it was a private coaching classes. I'm gonna write private classes, and here I am as a educator. Then again, in job description I'll mention that whatever my responsibility: teaching, creating test papers, managing parents, and evaluating kids. Now the third thing they have shown here is education. So again, uh, try to first add your highest degree. Like I have completed my BSc, so I'll mention BSc. I'm pursuing B.Ed, so we can also mention B.Ed here. And after that, your others, 12th board and 10th board. So let's graduation in science, or simply you can add BSc. From where? Sorry, we have to add college name or university name here. RTMNU. Location Nagpur again. Okay, and then degree BSc. Again they are asking for, so you have to, my degree was for 3 years, so I'm gonna mention here from June 2018 to June to, I guess, June again 2021. So that's my 3 year degree. And here you again you can give description, in which subjects you have completed your graduation. I have completed mine with maths, chemistry, and geology. So maths, chemistry, geology. Okay, specialized in maths, chemistry, and geology. Or again you can type here how many percentage you got. So my degree is of 70%, so I can just mention percentage. Then just use some signs by yourself also if they are not given in the template. 70%. So just like that, you have to edit this one also with your 12th board and then 10th board. Then here is awards. So if you are working or if you are a student, then which award you got? Then I was student of the year in my college. So um, achieved student of the year 2018 in my college, or simply you can mention your college name. I don't want to mention it here, that's why I'm not writing it. Okay, and if you feel that it is not right, so just undo it. Okay, I have made mistake. I was writing in award section, I have to write here. Okay, so student of the, again, student of the year 2018. Then if you want best employee award, then you can write it here. If you have achieved something different like in sports, so just mention over this in this award section. So this is so much easy. Then here is project. So if you are an engineer, or if you are pursuing B.Ed and something, so you should know that in your colleges you have to create projects. Or if you are applying for another job and you are employed, so you should have created some projects in your previous company or at previous job position. So just mention here the name of your project, then detail. Let's say I have created project on hydrogeology, uh, testing of water. Okay, so just remember that whenever you are adding any project, so it should be relevant to the post you are applying for. If I am applying for the post of as a geology teacher or as a geology tutor, then it will go, it is okay. But if I'm applying for a company for a position of manager for a HR, then this project testing of water will not work there. Okay, because it is not related to that field. So just remember, whenever you're gonna apply for any job, please edit your resume before applying. Just customize your resume as according to the job position. Okay, and as we said, here is no space for the photo. So what can we do? If we add our image over here, will it look good? Let's try. So what we're gonna do, we are gonna click on a insert image. Okay, then of course we need to upload it from our device because it's our picture. Again, it's loading. So let's try to insert picture over here. Pictures. Here is the picture option. Then just select the picture whatever you want. Again, please make sure that the picture you are selecting, it should be a professional or your formal image on your formal clothes. Okay, where we can get my documents. Okay, here are some images. Let's select this one, open, and it's creating image, it's showing over here. And let's try to put this picture somewhere. First we need to edit this, it's too big, right? Let's edit this and make it small. Now let's try to put it over here. No, it won't look good over here. Let's see if it goes at the top. Okay, I think in our image we can insert it over here. It will look little bit good, right? But again, our page is disturbed. So what to do? Here you can see option, alignment option. Okay, so according to that you can, and then we can make it big little bit. Again, it disturbed the page, so no, it's not working. But if we put it over here, it won't look good, right? Then what should we do? Just leave it over here or not? No, it's not looking good. So we just remove this picture. Again, backspace. Okay, so that's how we create our resume. I hope